Bradford White water heaters rely on a pilot light system to provide hot water. Understanding how to reset the pilot light is essential when your water heater stops producing hot water. The pilot light is a small flame located at the bottom of your water heater. It serves as an ignition source for the main gas burner that heats your water. When the pilot light goes out, your water heater cannot produce hot water. Several issues can cause your pilot light to fail. The most common causes include a bad igniter that fails to create a spark, a faulty thermocouple that cuts off gas flow as a safety measure, carbon buildup that blocks ignition, or a defective pressure switch that prevents proper gas regulation. Step 1. Turn the gas valve to the off position. This is crucial for safety. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to allow any accumulated gas to clear from the system before proceeding. Step 2. Turn the gas valve to the pilot position. This allows a small amount of gas to flow to the pilot light assembly. Step 3. Press and hold the pilot button, which is typically red and located on the gas valve. While holding the button, use the built-in igniter or a long match to light the pilot flame. Step 4. Once the pilot light ignites, continue holding the pilot button for about 1 minute. This allows the flame to heat the thermocouple, which is a safety device that keeps the gas flowing to the pilot light. Step 5. Slowly release the pilot button and verify that the pilot light remains lit. If it stays on, turn the temperature dial to your desired setting. Your water heater should now begin heating water normally. Remember these important safety reminders. If the pilot light won't stay lit after following these steps, stop and call a professional technician. Never use excessive force on gas controls, ensure proper ventilation, and if you ever smell gas, immediately turn off the valve and call for professional help. When your water heater pilot light frequently fails or won't stay lit, there are several common issues to check and important maintenance practices to follow. The most common issue is a broken thermocouple. This safety device regulates the pilot light, and when it fails, your water heater won't produce hot water. Another critical component is the thermal cutoff switch, or TCO. This safety device cuts power to the gas valve if the combustion chamber overheats. A tripped TCO will prevent the pilot from lighting. Regular maintenance is crucial for preventing these issues and ensuring efficient operation of your water heater. First, routinely check the grill opening around the bottom of your water heater. Remove any obstructions like hair or lint that may be blocking proper airflow. Second, have your water heater flushed and inspected annually by a qualified plumber or heating professional. This helps detect and address potential issues early. Third, keep the burner and pilot components clean. Use a vacuum to remove dirt, debris, and dust from the gas chamber area. While some basic maintenance can be done by homeowners, there are important situations when you should call a professional technician. For complex repairs, persistent tripping of the reset button, or any work involving gas connections, always hire a qualified technician. Safety should be your top priority. Remember, gas appliances require specialized knowledge and tools. When in doubt, contact a professional to ensure safe and proper operation of your water heater.